Zoning used to be something that folks would do for comfort. Certain parts of the house wanted more air dumped into because that's the gym where the husband's spending time during the evening and he wants more air there than the rest of the house. And then there would be times that, say in the bedrooms, you'd want it to be cooler at night than the rest of the house, or whatever the case was. Zoning was more of a comfort issue, and it still is. But I'm seeing more and more folks, especially when we help them on our website, newhvacguide.com, where we help folks through the process of purchasing a heating and air system. When I'm helping them, I'm seeing more and more folks think about zoning from a standpoint of efficiency.